10th class student, question number 9, exercise 9, some application of triangles. After disturbance, question number 9, CD is tower and AB is building. Tower height is 50 और AB building is equal to h meter and distance between tower and building. BD is equal to x meter. To see at bottom building, B to C elevation angle is equal to 60 degree. To see at bottom of tower, D to A elevation angle is equal to 30 degree. We find the height AB or H building. At first, we take on triangle. In triangle CDB, where D is 90, BC is per hypotenuse, BD is equal to base or CD upon CD is perpendicular. BD upon perpendicular means CD is equal to cot 60. BD value x is equal to upon CD value is 50, cot 60 value 1 upon under root 3. After cross multiply, x is equal to 50 upon under root 3. We find that is equation number first. In triangle ABD, AB upon BD, AB, B is 90, in triangle ABD, B is 90, AD is hypotenuse, AB perpendicular or BD is base. Perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 30, AB value h, BD value x is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Cross multiply, x is equal to under root 3h. That is equation second. Putting the value of x in equation second. Second equation is x is equal to under root 3 h. We put the x is equal to 50 under root 3 is equal to under root 3 into h. After cross multiply under root 3 h is equal to 50. After multiply 3h is equal to 50, h is equal to 50 upon 3 or 60 whole 2 upon 3 meter. The height of the building is equal to 6 whole 1 upon 2 meter. Question number 9 is complete. Question number 10. What is the question number 10? Two pole equal height standing opposite the road. AB is road, 80 meter wide. Equal height AC or BD is two pole equal height. Point E to C angle. One angle is elevation angle 30, other angle is 60. Question number 10. CA and DB is R pole is equal to H meter. AB is road. AB is equal to 80 meter, which road? From between, not a exact midpoint of AB. From between E to C, the top of pole. Both pole elevation angle 60 and 30. let a is equal to x, then b is equal to 80 minus x. In triangle CAD, CAE, A is 90, A is 90 and B is 90. AC upon AE, perpendicular upon base, is equal to tan 60. AC value h, AE value x is equal to under root 3. After cross multiply, h is equal to x under root 3. Equation first, that is x, or 80 minus x, EB 80 minus x. In triangle DBE, B is 90, DB upon DB means perpendicular, और BE is equal to base. तो perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 30. DB value h, BE is equal to 80 minus x is equal to 1 upon under root 3. According to trigonometrical table, after cross multiply, under root 3h is equal to 80 minus x. That is equation second. Equation second, putting the value equation first to equation second. Equation second, under root 3h is equal to 80 minus x. H value is equal to under root 3 into h value is equal to under root 3x is equal to 80 minus x. After multiply, 3x is equal to 80 minus x. X reach the left hand side, minus plus, after plus 4x is equal to 80, और x is equal to 80 upon 4, 4 2 जा 80, तो x is equal to 20 meter. Putting the value of x in equation first. First equation is h is equal to x under root 3. X value is 20, so h value is 20 under root 3 meter. Both answer are the clear. E is the height of pole is equal to both pole. Both poles is equal to 20 under root 3 meter. A is equal to A mean x is equal to 20 meter. Then B is equal to 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. So E is point location. From the A is 20, from to B is 60. Question number 10 is complete. Question number 11. Question number 11 figure in book. A TV tower. AB is TV tower. Angle 30 and 60. COD distance is equal to 20 meter. Question number 11. AB is equal to H meter. Which TV tower? BC is equal to river. BC river is equal to X meter. तो we find the canal या river and height of the tower. In triangle ABC, B is 90, AB upon BC, mean perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60. H upon X, tan 60 value under root 3 upon 1. After cross multiply, H is equal to X under root 3. That is first equation. In triangle ABD, AB upon DB perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 30. AB is equal to H, DB is equal to will be 20 plus X is equal to 1 upon under root 3. After cross multiply, under root 3H is equal to 20 plus X. That is equation second. Putting value equation first to equation second. Equation first value h is equal to under root 3 h is equal to 20 plus x. H value is equal to under root 3x is equal to 20 plus x. Reached the x is minus is equal to 20. X is common. Under root 3 minus 1 is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 upon under root 3 minus 1. Rationalization of x is equal to 20 upon under root 3 minus 1 under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 plus 1 20 under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 square minus 1 square plus minus x is equal to 20 bracket under root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 20 bracket under root 3 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 20. X value is 10 bracket under root 3 plus 1 meter. Putting the value of x in equation first. First equation is h is equal to x under root 3. X value is equal to 10 under root 3, 10 bracket under root 3 plus 1 into under root 3, 10 bracket 3 plus under root 3 by multiply. H is equal to 4 height of the TV tower is equal to 10 bracket 3 plus under root 3 meter and width of canal is equal to 10 bracket under root 3 plus 1 meter. Question number 11 is complete. Question number 12. Question number 12 is question number 12. 12 is a building or a cable tower. Cable tower is AB, building is CD. CD is building. Which height of the building? 7 meter. To see the top of the cable tower, elevation angle (60). Then bottom of the cable tower, depression angle is 45. Question number 12. AB is cable tower. CD equal 7 meter with building. To see top of the building, at C2 top point A and bottom B, elevation angle and depression angle. Depression angle 60 and 45. When angle CE parallel BD, this angle equal this. Elevation angle is equal to depression angle. Angle ECB is equal to angle CBD is equal to 45 degree. Alternate or depression equal elevation. In triangle X, then C is equal to X, CD equal B 7 meter. A is equal to H. At first find the value of H, then plus of 7 by H. We find the height of the cable tower. In triangle CDB. D is 90. C and B is acute angle. DB mean base upon CD is perpendicular is equal to cot 45. BD value x is equal to 7 is equal to cot 45 is equal to 1 upon 1. After cross multiply, x is equal to 7. In triangle ACE DB is equal to C is equal to x meter. In triangle AEC, E is 90, AE upon C is equal to perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60. AH x is equal to tan 60 value is under root 3. After cross multiply, h is equal to x under root 3. That is equation second. Putting the value, equation first to equation second. Second equation is h is equal to x under root 3. X value is 7. So h value is equal to 7 under root 3. We find the AB is equal to AE plus BE. AE value is 7 under root 3. B is equal to 7. After common, 7 under root 3 plus 1 meter. The height of tower is equal to 7 bracket under root 3 plus 1 meter. Question number 12 is complete. Thank you.